Hi everybody, this is Chapter, back another day with another unboxing. I'm gonna start with the package that I'm least excited about actually. But I'm gonna get to the point fast because I know that you that are watching this video only want to know about how they fit. You don't care about the story at all. And there isn't much story to them. It's the Supreme Nike Courtposite, and I don't like low top shoes. I really do like Foamposite, and I like these. The first picture I saw of them. Here we got the Supreme sticker. Let's see if there are any nice freebies this time. No, nothing at all, just a sticker. That's it. So yeah, I like them right away when I saw them, but I don't like low top shoes. So the only reason I bought them actually was because I found it very funny that people that have never seen this model before claim that they are uncomfortable and a flop. These sneaker investors want to say these are cool, want to say that this is the worst Supreme Nike drop ever, yada yada yada. So the small story about them is that in the 90s we have the Foamposite, the pennies, the Foamposite shoes, basketball shoes. That were a great shoe. I still love them. One of my favorite shoes. And the reason why I like Foamposite material is because it's a very nice shoe to have when it's bad weather, snow, rain, whatever, if I want to clean the car. Because the Foamposite material can take anything and you just wipe it off and it's clean again. So that's one of the reasons why I like Foamposite. And people want to claim that they are uncomfortable. The thing with Foamposite is that you need to wear them in so they can get warm and give you a custom fitment of your feet. But these are softer than your standard Foamposite. They are not as your standard Foamposite. Standard Foamposite is like plastic. Let's see what I can reach here. So this is hard, and the Courtposite was soft. So I don't think that they would be uncomfortable. So to the point, the Foamposite was a great success in basketball, and Nike thought that they were going to be a good tennis shoe. And before basketball were the main thing with sneakers or for Nike, the main thing for most of them, Adidas and Nike, Fila, were tennis shoes. And in some countries they still call them tennis shoes. All sneakers are tennis shoes according to them. And this was Andre Agassi signature model in 2002, 21 years ago, which is actually the same year that Supreme did their first Nike collab with the Dunks. So yeah, 21 years ago. And they were released in red and silver, red and gray, so two pairs, and that's it. The funny thing is that Andre Agassi, it was his signature shoe, and he didn't wear them himself. I don't know if there were any other tennis players that wore them, but he did not. So that's why they call it a flop, because tennis players want softer shoes, not as sturdy and hard as big heavy basketball players. But I like them. And that was it. So 2 colorways back then, and now 21 years later, Supreme make them return. And I like that. I like it that they take models that you don't know about instead of just doing dunks, SB dunks, and dunks again. I would love to see a pair of new penny Courtposite ones. But I'm gonna put them on. I don't think at all that they are uncomfortable. I like them. The color are cool. I think you can see how it shifts between green and gold, more or less. Maybe even matches my watch. So claiming that they are a flop, that is just silly. So let's put them on. And for you sneaker investors, Supreme drops that are a flop means that people don't care about them, they don't resell them, they don't take care about them, they use them. So in a couple of years, they're very hard to find. So all the flops are the best investments. So let's put them on. One of the many reasons why I don't like low-top shoes is because of the very short tongue. And that makes them harder to put on comfortable. But if you claim these are uncomfortable, you are just stupid. Ignorant and stupid. A very nice feeling right away when I put them on. And I said earlier that I am a huge fan of Courtposite and that they are stiff in the beginning. These are not stiff at all. Hey, I like them. I like them better than expected. They look super cool and feel really nice actually. The air bubble in the heel are nice. They fit true to size, absolutely true to size, no complaints at all. And I'm a wide footer, so yeah, I really like them. This was a nice surprise. I wasn't excited about them at all. I bought them mainly to do the video and to call you people stupid that don't like them without even trying them. But now I'm really glad to have them. And if you are worried about creases, these are Courtposite people. Come on, learn your things. You can wear them and abuse them in every weather. So a great autumn shoe. That's it for this video. Now on to the next pair of shoes. See you in the next video. Just one final thing. When Supreme did a drop 9 years ago with the Courtposites, nobody complained about them being uncomfortable and a flop. That was the craziest Supreme drop ever. So don't be afraid to use Courtposite. And once again, these are soft, not at all as what I'm used to with Courtposites. So no complaints at all. I'm super happy with them.